So this is something that I've been staring at for a while. And this is beautiful, man. I think I needed a connection with the earth a little more. It just looks beautiful. It looks amazing. I've been here for a bit. Everyone else left. I'm here by myself at the end of the trail, sort of. And I've just been enjoying it a lot. It looks wonderful. And I might just upload this just to have it on my YouTube channel, but I couldn't help but post it because I've never seen something like this. So beautiful. I want to go in the water. I wish I could like go down and get in the water. It looks like such beautiful water.